AI agents for beginners can surprisingly teach you a lot about life, especially when you look beyond the tech and into the mindset behind how they're built and used. Here's what they can teach you. One, small steps lead to big progress. Creating AI agents starts simple basic logic, simple decision making then grows more complex. Life lesson: start small, stay consistent, and grow gradually. Master the basics before chasing big goals. Two, learning never stops. AI agents improve with training and feedback, just like humans. Life lesson: you're never finished learning. Adapt, update, and refine yourself through experience. Three, mistakes are part of the process. Beginner agents often fail at first. Wrong answers, bad decisions, dead ends. Life lesson: trial and error is how you grow. Don't fear mistakes, use them to improve. Four, clear goals make smarter decisions. AI agents perform better when they have a clear objective. Life lesson: know your goals. When you're clear on what you want, your decisions become easier and smarter. Five, you are what you feed your mind. is only as good as the data it learns from. Life lesson: the input you consume, books, people, experiences shapes who you become. Don't feed your mind wisely. Six, collaboration is powerful. AI agents work better when connected with others, humans, systems, or other agents. Life lesson: you don't have to do everything alone. Connect, collaborate, and grow together. Seven, focus on efficiency, not perfection. Agents are trained to be effective, not perfect. Life lesson: done is better than perfect. Aim to move forward, not to impress.